number of ways that we ask for phone bills. And first of all, I'm going to say, if in fact we go in a sales transaction and we don't get connectivity, we don't get the internet, we don't get the phone bills, you know, it tells us, let's don't move on, we did something wrong, we don't need to waste our time or energy. Mr. Customer, as we go through this process, you know, I said to you, we're taking everything over, bringing software, we're putting it on the data network. You know, there's a number of things that we need to take a look at. We need to take a global approach to your telecommunications. You need to see what kind of activity, how much traffic do you have going out, how much traffic is coming in 800 numbers, how much bandwidth are you presently utilizing, and then the other thing is, any company talking to you about voice over IP, and any company talking to you about SIP, if they don't come in and do a network analysis, in other words, put some sniffers on the network, find out throughput, find out bandwidth utilization. They don't do that. They're not truly interested in protecting your decision. Jim, as an IT person, you go ahead and you put all this together, and all of a sudden we find out that there's something wrong in the network, there's something consuming bandwidth, and it doesn't work. Well, whoever sold it to you still goes to work the next day. And anybody who wouldn't take the time and energy and go through the analysis of your network really is not too concerned about protecting your decision. Now, we're IT people, we understand that whatever decision you make, they're going to look to you, not the guy who sold it to you. So you know what? We're going to come in, we're going to protect your decision, give you an understanding that when we do say, here it is, no hidden costs, oh, the network needs to be upgraded because of this, oh, you have the wrong router, oh, you don't have the proper cabling, and so forth. We're going to eliminate that. We're going to come in and do a full network analysis. Our engineering staff will get in touch with you, send you the reports and so forth and so on. And then the other thing that you have to be concerned about when you do come over and put the telephony on the network is that my system may work today at 3:30. At 4:30, it's no longer working. Why is that? Well, what happens is at 3:35, 20% of your employees start downloading YouTube. They got streaming video. Some guys on gambling. There's porn going on. Who knows what the internet's being used for? One of the things is that we're going to help you develop a standard policy of internet utilization within your company. And the other thing is those sniffers that we put in there, we'll leave them on the network, and Jim, you'll get a report and alerts of bandwidth utilization, and we'll be able to drill it down to what instrument or what appliance on the network is causing the drain. Therefore, your decision is continually being protected, and you're going to be able to control utilization of internet. Does that make sense to you? Can you see the value of doing that? So what I like to do is I like to see all the local calling, all the long distance calling, internet, and let me get all those bills together so we can take a global approach so we can in fact come in and do that.